the Eberspacher diesel heater, an earlier one. This little symbol up here, press and hold, is just a recirculating fan, and the blue light's on and recirculation happening. Most of our vans, it will suck in at your feet at the lounge, blow out at under the fridge and in the ensuite. To turn off, press and hold. There is no temperature function for it, it just sucks air in, blows air out. This one over here is the heater, and it's on and the light's on, and the figure there is the temperature it's set at. I can raise the temperature here. Up to 31 or 32, and I can lower with this one here. The other figure that will show up here, the 26, is the actual room temperature sensed by here, and the heater will come on and until it can raise it from 26 up to the 30 degrees I've got it set at, and we'll maintain that for as long as you have diesel in and power to this unit. If it's too hot, turn it down to 23. There we go. Turning off, press 2 straight lines and the light has gone off. The fan will still be running, even the burner will seem to be still running. It's to burn off the diesel that is in the system, and it does a cool down.